going to get loud. Finally, the big yellow thing in the sky has reappeared. Yes. So without further ado, I think, roof's coming off. I've got a soft top kit that I got when I bought the car. I've never even opened the bag, so hopefully all the bits are in there. Should be a roof, 2 bars that go across. And I have looked, it has got the soft top conversion insert either side. So what's the worst that can happen? Off, done, sorted. So if you're wondering what tools you need, there is a handy little pack in the back of the car when you buy it. If it's gone missing over time, I'll show you what they are now. One of them, T25, another Torx bit that is, don't know, little Allen bolt, another Allen key as well. That, I believe, is all you need to take the hard top off. So once you're comfortable in the car, there's 3 bolts in front there, which I believe is called the scuttle cover, maybe. And then hidden behind these 2 panels, bit of Velcro on there. See that little warning, read your manual one? Well, you don't need to because you're watching this. There's 1 bolt there, and obviously one on the other side here. Same again. So I'm going to get these off, get those 2 bolts off the back, which I believe there's a couple more brackets under here, which I'll show you in a sec. So once you reveal this sticker, not to remove the roof. I believe if you do remove the roof, you are meant to take off the front splitter and the spoiler. Not happening. So yeah, bracket there, bolt off, that then pulls out. Same either side. A couple on the back that I believe are exactly the same as well. Let's get it off. Give it a wiggle. Seals are a bit tight. Ugh. Maybe I should have another person helping me. So this is the first time I've taken this off since I bought the car, so anyone else who just whips these off, good for you. I think it's all undone anyway, there's no hidden bolts. Oh, no there is, there's a bracket at the back that I've forgotten. I mean, if I looked a little harder, I probably would have seen that big bracket there that needs undoing as well. Right, that makes more sense. Back bracket off. That should come off now. Yeah, feels a bit more free now. Oh, you don't need 2 people for that, do you? Lovely. So once that's nicely packed away, brackets and stuff all out, I did forget to show you that you do still need to remove these 2 front brackets here, but you literally pull them out. Dead easy. And obviously when you put your hardtop back on, they relocate back in there. 1 either side. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Off we go. Oh, it's much easier to slide into this thing without the roof on, as you'd obviously expect. Right. Black belts, what are we thinking? Stephen got his done recently. And I got a couple of samples sent across. I think that's a bit bland. I think that's a bit brown. I think those are pretty cool. What do we think? Comments, please. Windows up. Sounds not too bad. Bit of sport mode. You don't realise how Asbo this car is until someone else has driven it and it goes past. The exhaust, while it's in the car, obviously booming out backwards, isn't too bad. Once you hear it come past, and you probably heard that on a couple of Steve's videos when I go past him.
Some chav's just gone past in this red Lotus Exige.
It is a riot. It is so loud. How this is road legal. Say, fully OEM, factory exhaust. It's got the button on the steering wheel, which I think the 2017's had. I think they stopped them after 2017, but the wiring's still there and you can put the button back in. Right, let's go for a bimble down the bypass. It's going to get loud. Woo! as well. A problem that Stephen doesn't have. Woo! That supercharging noise is so addictive. Wow. If anyone watching this is umming and ahhing whether it's buying an Exige, an Elise, any kind of like roofless car, just buy it. Like, it's just such a different feeling to having a hardtop. Like, put your windows down, put your aircon on, nothing compares to it. And I got the same feeling driving a £100 MX-5 back in the day. Paid £100 for it. Nardy steering wheel, nardy gear knob. I drove that car for a whole year, sideways everywhere pretty much. It lost no money in that year. Loved every second of it though. The experience is just amazing. You know, convertibles, or is it a convertible? Roofless? I don't know. It's got a hard top and a soft top. Is it both? Stephen will tell you. Ah, the police are here. Hello, police. Another bonus of taking the roof off, which I've just thought about. Any rattles, anything like that, you can't hear them with the roof off. So that's a bonus. Nice to see the wheels in the sun as well. Obviously I fitted these in the garage the other day. I've literally jumped in this morning, gone for an MOT. They look belting. Previous video shows how they've been done. So I'm going to chuck the soft top on, parking it in the garage, but it is so easy to take off and on. I'll show you how to do that now. So your soft top kit should come with 2 rods. It's pretty self-explanatory, but they have arrows, obviously pointing forwards as your car goes forwards. That's in reverse, obviously. So they go in, hole in the back, give them a bit of a tweak. That goes in there, like so. And basically they are just support bars to hold the soft top up. Dead easy to do though. Once you figure out the front, again, you see that? Arrows, forwards, easy. So usually it'd be rolled up because I've been playing with it, it's not. Goes in there. Line it up as best as poss. Cables go down the rails. The fit of it, surprisingly, is very good. The one I had on the VX220, albeit a bit older, the seals didn't line up or anything. Quite like it with a black roof on as well, don't you? It'll never look as good as it does with a hard top, but if you're caught short and you need to put it on for the rain, oh, just transformed the car again, hasn't it? Got 3 looks: hard top, soft top and off. And in case you're wondering how to release these, again, dead self-explanatory. Oh, no. Pull that back, one at the back, and then it just pulls up. You can see the brackets there on the back and on the front. They just clip in, and then you can roll that up like a fleece line on this one as well. Never had that on the VX220. I'm not sure if that's aftermarket. It looks pretty cool. But yeah, roll it up, back in the bag, in the boot, and you're safe for another day.